Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Cubot Note 50. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open. And here click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now again. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.